Hello guys, welcome back to Making Solutions. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can generate your Facebook headlines, or you can generate your Facebook primary text using an automated AI tool. This AI has a lot of functionalities, so instead of engaging a copywriter to write a compelling ad copy for you, you can also make use of this AI tool. It works like magic. All you need to do is just to give it a brief description of what you want, and the AI generates a compelling copy for you. You can also be using it for all of your social media posts. You don't really have to spend that time writing long ad copies. All you just need to do is just give the AI a brief description of what you want, and it generates the ad copies for you. So the tool is a free tool with limits, but you can decide to pay for it to have full access to it. This is the tool most of the copywriters they use because it works very well. It's free. Like I told you earlier, you can use it for most of your social media posts. So without much waste of time, let's get started. But before then, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time coming across my video. Subscribe and hit on that notification icon, so you can get notified every time I upload videos like this. Don't also forget to like, share the video also, so many people that needs it can find it. All right, thank you. So like I said, if you are a copywriter, you'll find this tool very, very useful because it will help you ease off the stress of writing your copy from beginning to end. We're gonna be using a tool called copymatic.com. All right, I'm already logged in, but you need to first of all sign up for it. It's free, and upon sign up you have up to 1,500 words on free trial. As you can see, I've not used any here, and the trick or the secret about this is that you can use this thing for life. The only thing you got to do is just be creating multiple Gmail addresses for yourself, so you can be using it to log in. But let me just give you a walk around on what this thing can do. You can actually use it to generate article, you can generate blog posts, you can generate blog paragraph, you can do a lot of things, you can rewrite content. It's just like a spinner. But most of us for most of us that know about spinner, it works exactly the same way. You can generate a paragraph, a blog session. You can, write blog titles, blog ideas, a lot of things. All this, you can use it to generate them. If you have a landing page, you can use it to generate a complete landing page, copywriting and design in seconds. All right. So your website headlines, you can also use it to do that. You can you can write meta descriptions. And the good thing about this AI is that it generates SEO keywords for you. It's kind of SEO friendly, so you can make good use of it. Now, what I want to show you is for copywriters, or if you want to run ads, you don't really know where to start from, to write your primary text and headline. So you just head over to where you have Facebook primary text here. You also have Facebook headlines. Then let's say for primary text, okay, something I want to write here. Your audience, what kind of audience do you have? I can say based on what I want to generate the headlines for, or based on what I want to generate the primary text for. Let's say for instance this ad I want to run, what even took me here? So okay, let's say for instance I want to generate for my audience waste management. Okay, then product name, I can just, that should be your company name or your product name, whichever. So All right, so here you have to all you need to do is just give it a very brief explanation of what you want this AI to do for you, what you want it to rewrite, and you can increase the output that you want here, but in this case I just need only two because I don't want to use up my credit. Okay, this product description, so I can just write don't I want the AI to have a clue of what I want to write. Worry any more about your waste disposal. It will help you dispose of your waste at an affordable fee. Let me copy this because I'll make use of it again. Alright, so you just click on this generate. Alright, so it will rewrite this in a better way for you. Say get rid of your waste in a perfect way. Forget about the hassles of disposing of your waste. Service Nigeria will help you dispose of your waste at an affordable cost. That's one you can copy here if you would like that particular one. Now this one says it will help you dispose of your waste so that it doesn't interfere with your daily life. Service Nigeria is a trusted name in the industry and offers the best waste disposal service at affordable rates. So you can see this is very, 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 very clean. Makes sense, makes a whole lot of sense. So for me, I would even combine these two to get my hard copy. You understand, my hard text copy? So you can copy it here, and that's it for your primary text. Okay, let's say let me copy this information for my headline. Let's see. Okay, product name, Service Nigeria, audience, waste management. I need just two or two, so let me say one. Output. All right. So you see, you can equally do another one if you are not satisfied with that. Get rid of your waste. This is just for your Facebook headline. You understand? So that's it, guys. You have a lot of other functionalities you can use this app for. It's not limited to this. I don't really want to, I've used up to 70 of my 1,500 free weights. So you can go ahead and make use of this, good, useful app, and stop worrying about, getting the service of a copywriter again. Say no more. Yeah. So if you found this video useful, kindly subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and then turn on your notifications so you get notified every time I upload videos like this. Alright guys, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.